All details of the electoral bonds, including the unique alphanumeric number, have to be made public. The Supreme Court directed the State Bank of India on Monday. The top court gave the bank till Thursday 5 p.m. to submit all the details to the Election Commission and put it in the public domain. The Supreme Court's direction came despite attempts by the business houses, the government and the SBI to try and explain the perils of disclosing all the details.
The direction to the SBI to submit details of bracket 1, the electoral bonds purchased, semicolon, and bracket T2, political parties which have received contributions through electoral bonds.
Taking the State Bank of India to task for giving out selective information, the Chief Justice said that the State Bank of India's attitude seems to be, you tell us what to disclose, we will disclose. That does not seem to be fair. When we say all details, it includes all conceivable data. All details should have come out. We want to ensure that nothing has been suppressed. The State Bank of India was earlier criticized for not sharing any link between the donors and the recipients of the electoral bonds. The State Bank of India, Chambers of Commerce and the government tried to caution the court about disclosing all details and opening a flood of public interest litigations.
Lord, statistics, your lordships are aware, can be twisted in any manner the person wants. Now, my lord, based upon the twisted and other statistics, Lord, any kind of posts are being made. I know, my lord, your lordships cannot control them. But the question is, would your lordships, my lord, consider issuing a direction
Not being disclosed.
Now we'll disclose it, my lord, whatever.
We must have finality to it.
Yes, we'll do it, my lord. There's no problem. Just that this constant, my lord, the media constant beating down and the petitioners giving public interviews saying, we will take the State Bank to task and we will show this and we will haul them up for contempt, etc., etc. To correction, I didn't find any order which says all further actions will be subject to the judgment or something.
The Constitutional Bench, however, was not ready to oblige, saying its shoulders are broad and we are concerned by the law.
As judges, we decide according to the Constitution.
Correct, my lord.
We are governed by the rule of law. We are also the subject matter of comment in the social media and the press. But surely, as an institution, our shoulders are broad enough.
No, I'm saying, I'm not, my lord, for a second.
Our court has an institutional role to play in a polity which is governed by the Constitution and the rule of law.
The stage is set for a full public disclosure of the electoral bonds, but this data will be available from 2019 onwards and will be able to correlate the donor to the political party. This after apprehensions were voiced by the Centre, the Chambers of Commerce as well as the State Bank of India. With camera person Sushil Rathi, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.